You might not think about it too often, but the inside of your laptop does get dusty and dirty over time. When it comes to the lifespan and performance of a laptop, cleaning it regularly does make a difference. So here are steps in cleaning the inside of your laptop. First, make sure the laptop is switched off and take the battery out. Second, unscrew only the screws relevant for the particular part of the laptop you are trying to disassemble. There are signs engraved right under or beside the screw as a guide. Third, take all the relevant screws out. Fourth, gently remove the touchpad portion and disconnect its wire from the laptop. Fifth, gently lift the keyboard and also disconnect it from the laptop. Sixth, take your dust removal spray and spray all over the laptop. Concentrate the most on the fan, processor, and memory. Seventh, review the results. Once done, the inside of a laptop should look like this. 8. Put everything back the way it was. Make sure you gently press the connector of a keyboard to connect it to the laptop as well as the touchpad. 9th, screw again the back of a laptop in the same order. And lastly, enjoy your clean laptop. If you want to visit the site, here it is as my reference. I hope this is very helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.